Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do general love reading for Taurus. This is mid-month reading. This is general, may or may not resonate everyone. So August mid-month reading. So Taurus, let's see your feelings towards your person this side. And your person feelings towards you. Okay, first see your feelings towards your person. Page of Cups, the World, Two of Pentacles, Seven of Pentacles. And your person feelings, Ace of Cups, Three of Swords, Nine of Pentacles, and Death. Sorry for the interruption. Okay. I think for some there is separation between both of you. For some there are some issues going between both of you. Because your person very heartbroken, and they are emotionally independent right now because they are undergoing some transformation. They are loving their self than anybody else because self-love. They are doing self-love. I think you are waiting for your person, Seven of Pentacles, to invest in this connection more, Taurus. And if you did something wrong in this connection, you want to tell apologies to your person. You want to communicate. Some cycles are going between both of you, the World card and Two of Pentacles. I think you are juggling between two things. You or your person could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, a Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. Lot of earth energies here, a Gemini, Libra, Aquarius also. So I think your person right now is very heartbroken and undergo some transformation. So let's see mutual energy between both of you. See here the Devil. I think you both obsessed with each other, or you could be obsessed with your person, or your person could be obsessed with you, as there is no equal give and take. That's why your person could be heartbroken and give up on this situation, on this connection. But this time you want to offer equal give and take to this connection, but this connection will be balanced in near future if you both offer equal give and take with each other. Definitely there are some issues. Communication issues could be. So see, let's see some more about your relationship from universe. Taurus. Innocence means sun. Your person is gaining strength and emotionally independent, and nothingness means hierophant, but you want to offer commitment, and you want commitment from your person. Letting go, but your person want to let go. Energy could be vice versa. Please do mind while watching. And yes, letting go, but your person want to let go. Things are walking away. So let's see some more. The Fool. Yes, I think they want new beginnings in their life without you. I'm getting, because they are now emotionally independent. Rebirth, but you want rebirth. You both are in opposite right now. One want this connection, but one. The Rebel, the Emperor. So I want clarity for final message. Creativity. Wow, the Empress and the Emperor. You both are strong couple. So let's pull one more card for clarity. Going with the flow, Ace of Cups. Still there is love between both of you, but your person right now concentrating their self, but you want rebirth in this connection. If you want rebirth in this connection, definitely you have to wait, because right now your person concentrating, and for some your person also want new beginning, because the Fool and the Sun. For some only, very few. For some your person want move forward in their life with new opportunities. For some, you both are very strong couple. Definitely you will be with each other, going with the flow, Ace of Cups, but it will take time. So this is the reading for you, Taurus. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like, and subscribe my channel. Please do support me, guys. Bye.